The Bellville accent. How can I describe it? It's very unique. It's not like in the rest of South Africa, and only about 200,000 people in the Western Cape have got the Bellville accent down to a T. One of them is myself, Anton. The other, Etienne Rousseau.
So, how does it sound like? Can you give us an example?
Well, it almost sounds like the way we're speaking right now. It's a flat Bellville accent. You would say, I'm from Bellville. I'm not from Pero, I'm from Bellville.
Yeah, welcome to Bellville and CY.
Exactly, I take the taxi all the way to Bellville. Bellville to Cape Town, Bellville to Wynberg. Well, that's not exactly how we sound, but many Bellville folk sound
Bellville
like that.
Bolivian sounds like that, yes.
Bellville Bolivian. I'm pretty sure Bolivia is a country all of its...
Bolivians.
Okay, Bellville. You have to roll your R's.
Bolivians.
It's lekker here in Bellville. We go down to Outini Meyer and we go watch the cars driving up and down. They've got Saturday nights. They've got the, what do they call it? Drag racing. Bellville drag racing, and you only see that like once every month or so. But sometimes it goes terribly wrong, and people get hurt.